Foliage can add as much beauty and interest as any flower in your arrangement. And foliage is the one that is most easily overlooked, but don't underestimate it. It sets the stage for everything ahead. In today's video, I'm going to tell you why foliage is fantastic. I'm going to share with you how you can use it in your design. At the end of the video, I'm going to tell you about the one foliage that I am totally obsessed with and that you definitely need to know about. Every stem has a purpose. A while ago, I made a video called The 6 Elements of Design. It was by far my most popular video. It makes all of your designs easier and more beautiful. In today's video, we're digging deep into foliage. So what is foliage? Foliage is the leafy part of the flower or the plant. Coral bells, they can have some pink or even some peach. Sometimes they can have a little bit of dark burgundy or black. You can have something that is more red, something like this Japanese maple. Use your foliage to create the shape. So when you're going into a design, you're thinking, I want my design to be either very round and formal or very asymmetrical or wild. You're going to use foliage to create that shape. That is going to be the guiding force throughout your design. This is baptisia. Baptisia is a native foliage. It does have a flower. Not all flowers have foliage that you can use. So I'm just going to leave it really natural. I'm not making it too short, not too round. I'm letting it do what it does naturally. So you can see right now I'm just letting the greens do what they do. They're falling to the side, they're standing up. And I do like to use several different kinds of foliages when I'm designing. Baptisia foliage is airy, it's very loose, so I might use something a little bit thicker. This is euonymus. It's really common in the landscape and it's a great foliage. And you can do this with any foliage you have. Any foliages that you're using is going to help you create the shape. So now I can start to think about my other elements of design because I have created this natural shape. If you want to make something that is tighter and more formal, you can make your foliages pieces a little bit shorter, a little bit more compact. If you want something really wild, you can keep your stems longer, put them in asymmetrically. But right now, this is the style that I use the most in my design, just a natural style, and the foliage has created that for me. The next thing I love about using foliage, it can act as a mechanic. So a mechanic is just a tool to keep your flowers in place. You can create a natural, sustainable mechanic by using foliage. So what this does is create a base or an armature that gives your flowers a place to sit in the design. So here I'm using a piece of chicken wire as my mechanic. This is going to hold things in place. Now, I don't want anybody to see my chicken wire, so foliage is a great tool to just cover your chicken wire. And I'm going to use a few of these pieces of coral bells. Now, coral bells is a beautiful foliage, but it is really short. You can see it's only probably 5 or 6 inches. And coral bells have nice big leaves. I only need a couple of pieces. So you can see this is just a cute little naturally shaped start to your arrangement. And you can't see any of that chicken wire. So when you're using foliage, it adds color and texture and fragrance. So you can see rosemary has a woodsy texture. If you're using something like a calla lily foliage, this feels totally different. This is going to feel very tropical. I'm going to use this in the summer. I love using calla lily foliage, but it adds a specific color and style and feeling to your design. And if you're interested, I have an entire list of my favorite foliages to use as cuts. I'll put a link in the description so that you can get the full list. I don't want you to miss out on any of these because there are so many great ones. All right, so there are a lot of foliages that I love to use. Every season has a favorite, but my all-time favorite, no matter the season, is variegated Solomon seal. First of all, it has great height. Next, check out the color of these leaves. They are so cool. They look like they've been hand painted. They have these beautiful little stripes on them. I highly recommend you using this in your designs. In the 6 elements, every stem plays a role, and foliage can be overlooked or underestimated, but don't fall into that trap. Use foliage intentionally to create the type of design that you love to make.